everyone, today we're at Matsumoto for a day trip.
So you can reach Matsumoto from Nagano via either the limited express train, which takes about 49 minutes to come here. Alternatively, you can take the local train, which is going to take you about almost double the time, but a lot cheaper. So you made a decision. We took the limited express train, which was pretty comfortable, and there were only 2 stops from Nagano. So we arrived here, and we are going to walk around the city, go and check out the castle and also the miso factory, and do some shopping along the way. So join us in this day trip to Matsumoto. We are walking from the Matsumoto train station to the castle. It takes about 900 meters. Therefore, I think will be about 20 minutes to walk. How far are we?
To the place,
Yeah.
1.2 kilometers.
So it's 1.2 kilometers, not 900 meters.
Cold.
So cold. We are almost reaching the castle. It's a fairly easy walk, flat ground, just a bit long. I mean, by Japanese standard, it's probably not long.
Here you go from here.
By Singaporean standard, yeah, we are always cannot walk.
After a walk from the train station, we have arrived at Matsumoto Castle. It is a black moated castle with a wooden keep.
Built in the late 16th century, its 5-tier 6-story main tower is one of the most historic and oldest surviving castles in Japan. Nagano is the biggest miso producer in the entire world, and Matsumoto is the biggest production hub for Japan.
We're here at Ishii Miso, a traditional miso manufacturer. We're here for a miso-themed lunch, followed by a miso brewery tour. Come join us.
miso ice cream. Yoikana Sake Brewery is one of the top Nagano sake producer. They are located in Matsumoto, and we came here to do the sake flight testing. We tasted almost every sake that they have, and we purchased the most recommended one, which is the number one in their list.
It's pretty easy to drink. Very nice people. Do come here and check it out if you have the chance.
Yeah.
And try some of their very lovely sake.
Yeah, this is one of the top Nagano producers, so do come here when you are in Matsumoto. Now we are walking to the shopping street. It's getting dark now. Hopefully that is still open. Thank you for watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Ring the notification bell below so that you'll be notified of our new videos and watch our other videos here.
See you in the next video.